Let's make these beautiful earrings. We're going to need some gemstones. I'm going to use some copper headpins. So I need 2 of these. I'm also going to use 2 of these crystals, these 2 yellow crystals that came on the strand with the gemstones. Then I need some spacers to go in between my gemstones. So I'm going to need some of these. These are 2mm titanium rose gold hematite faceted round. So I'm going to use those. And I'm also going to need my rose gold or copper leverbacks. Okay, these are really easy to put together. So first I'm going to pick up one of my little yellow crystals, put that on. Then I'm going to put on a spacer, drop a gemstone down, put on another spacer, another gemstone, spacer, gemstone, and follow up with a spacer. Then I'm going to do the other side. So I forgot to tell you what the name of this gemstone is. This is sunstone, and it is faceted, and they're quite large rondells. They are 4 by 8. Okay, so I've got the crystal down first. Then I'm going to put a spacer on, add my sunstone, and then my spacer, another sunstone, spacer, and sunstone. So I've got 3, and then some of these are stuck together. I'm just gonna, oops, use my fingernail. And the top needs a spacer. So that's done. Now we're gonna wire wrap the top. Pinch the top down with my chain nose pliers. Bring the wire to the back. And I'm gonna use my round nose pliers and come around. Up, over, down, rotate, bring the wire to the back. Same on this side. Pinch the top down, bring the wire to the back. Switch out for my round nose pliers, come up, over, down, rotate, and bring the wire to the back. I'm going to hang on to the loop that I made using my flat pliers. I'm going to wire wrap around. And I'm going to go slow so I have neat wraps. Okay, now I can cut. And pinch down. I'm going to do the same with this side. I'm going to pinch my loop down, use my flat pliers, and go around. I'm going to go slow so my wraps are right underneath each other. And then I can go ahead and cut off the excess. Pinch down my burr. If my loop is a little crooked, I can use my pliers and straighten it out. I'm going to use my pliers and I'm going to twist open my lever back, hang on my earring, and twist it back. Do the same for this side. And twist it back. And there you have it. So pretty, right? And so easy. But they look so beautiful and elegant. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.